How to buy and trade NFTs with Trust Wallet. To buy and trade NFTs using Trust Wallet, simply open the Trust Wallet app and you will see this type of information. Now from here, just first of all, make sure to log into your Trust Wallet account. Now once you've done that, you'll be on the main wallet view page, right? So on the main wallet view page, what happens over here is if you just go over here, you'll find the collectibles option from the top right. So when you tap on the collectibles menu option, once tapping on it, you'll have full overview of all the NFTs you currently own. Now currently I don't have any NFTs, that's why you're not seeing this, but if you have, then you'll find it over there. You can tap on each of them to see their details. If you do not own any NFTs yet, you can use Trust Wallet step browser to access a marketplace where you will be able to make new transactions. And if you wish to trade or buy more NFTs, you can tap on it, then on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, you will now have to choose the default depth with which you want to proceed with your transaction. With OpenSea, for example, you can scroll until you find the buy now or sell option, then from there you will be able to trade NFTs. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.